Please help us do a massive shout. Thank you.
Praises be unto your name. And let the power of praises follow me. That I will praise your name forever in your sanctuary.
God bless you all. God bless you all. This is Comrade Newton as usual. You know, anytime we storm a place like this, you know that there's something we want to perfect or want to correct some certain impression. You know, this is another side of our broadcast ground, and we have been doing it, and God has been asking our prayers. We will not still fail to give thanks to God Almighty for steadfastness in our lives, for the grace and enthusiasm He has given unto us to keep on advocating for what is good. I will want every one of you to focus your mind or your attention on the heading there. Don't just watch. Make sure you focus your attention on the heading that is written there. The three most large person today in the world, their name is already in the book, Guinness Book of Records. Invite your friend, please. One is Adams Aliyu Oshomole, the most light person in the world. One is Adams Aliyu Oshomole. The other one is Yamu. And the third one has been confirmed yesterday. Is one of the Nigerian rapper, most hungry Nigerian rapper, Idris Abdul Karim. Now, why did I choose to bring out this title today? Because we are now living in a society whereby a lot of people feel they know it all. One thing that have really put us in the threat of trauma is that a lot of people feel that whatever thing they are doing is the best, instead of them to sit down and think at times, what can I give to my people? I keep on seeing it all the time that it's like they are underestimating most of us because we choose to be responsible, or we choose not to always go back to our vomit. As it's been written down in the book of Proverbs 26 verse 11. He says it's only a dog that can go back to his vomit. Let me do a brief introduction before I start this very whole thing. Because for those of you who are archaic, I know there are a lot of people right now that will start writing what's bad about it. You know, something is bad about what he has said. It is not good to lie. It's never a good thing for you to be known as a liar. Irrespective of whichever money they might have given to you, it kills your reputation. Today we remember Fela Nicola Pokuti, Ono Soldier and the rest of them. Go and look at Femi Kuti. Go and look at all of them. When Emmanuel Macron visited Nigeria, that was 2018 precisely, the president of France, when he visited Nigeria, could you know, he went to Fela's shrine. He went to Fela temple. Then, what did they know Fela to be? Most of the time, I've said it every time with that number, black race are problem to themselves. And don't get it twisted today. Idris has finally buried his reputation, buried his destiny by himself. We are in the 21st century. I, for one, I choose not to talk to Wamagbe because Wamagbe is like, he has a spiritual problem. There is something that always use him. That's why you cannot compare Wamagbe with Akobeyan today. There's a very big distinction among them. But this is a guy before, I love playing his music. It's not about, I'm not being kind of a partisan here. We are talking about how we are going to feast our nation. That's the most interesting thing here. So I'm not trying to say any person that speaks against Obaseki. That's not just the thing here. We have to correct this impression the way it is. I'm not here to come and tell you why you talk that kind against Obaseki. How will you boldly say, in the whole world you said it, that Obaseki not do anything for Benin? Benin Technical School was recorded today by one of our apostle, Alfred Uyosa. I pasted it on my page. Go and see. Even that kind of board. I never see that chalkboard for Europe here. How many of you don't see them? If your child is using it in school, tell them, say, your child now they use now. Now these are things that are there. Benin Technical School, you cannot even find such a school right now in most parts of European countries. It's there, built. Stadium is there. Osiomo Power is there. Ologbo modular refinery is there. Edo job is there. Teacher are being trained. Then after looking at about millions of things this man have done, Idris, the most frustrated Nigerian rapper, they were the same attitude. If you can fight 50 cents, you fight 50 cents when 50 cents came to America, when we were having a show one time in Abuja or Lagos or so. I don't bloody care about you people. Now, Idris, I want to tell you something here. Your music, they're not the use and do better for Benin. If we are saying that don't be Lagos, your music, they're not the use and do burial. They're not the use and do birthday. We remembered you before. Why? Because the way you stand and spoke about when you sing a song, Nigerian Jaga Jaga. Right now, you don't make your own life Jaga Jaga by yourself. Tomorrow, right now, you start blaming other artists. They're not the feature you. These were the same problem we already having. Before you wanted to fight 50 cents. But at the end of the day, where are your companies today? Did you have a musical school? No. I hate lies. Lies irritates me. I know they like them. Why must you lie? Look at how you brought yourself from, you use your rep, because of Oshiomhole. Oshiomhole went to national television and said, modular refinery, no one debiting, all of them are MOU. For you talking about MOU, you are the biggest fool. There is nobody that does not go to memorandum of understanding. Even this day that we even want the women and the men. Before you go into a relationship, sign memorandum of understanding so that make cheating on today. So that if the man they drive you tomorrow, you know okay now. Idiot. Why not go to do marriage for court? Why be saying as some of una now police now they separate una? Why do you not allow the man, the woman put money for your head? How many of una? Why not the land like that? Why not they go for court, go to marry? Is it not when something happen that customarily you own the married guy or you own the married guy? A lot of things we are criticizing today, we ought not to. But I'm so dumbfounded when I begin to see people that is dance because other people are dancing. Dance because the music has melody. Dance because the music has melody. I choose to forget about no woman because I've already know where work born in it. That's why a man, according to Oshiomhole, I quote, he said a man that will vomit in the morning and in the evening he want to use that same vomit to do buffet in the evening. He says such a man, they're not the near him. That's what he said. Now, since 2017, this very animal that live in America, I saw what he was doing social media. I came into it because it has been my ideology right from time. I hate oppression. Mona go ask that animal, that goat, that mumu. Mona go ask, can wait to problem with opinion. It was other people's headache. The so-called fake admin today, who could even organize a platform, apart from only one that is in France. That, now only that one now see say be better person for all of them. I stand here to be corrected. Who saw that what Newton fought for was not my personal problem. I fight for thousands of people, but at the end of the day, these same people, they begin to, I blocked all of them. Because I don't need such people who believe on, okay, let's assume say that me the thing can happen. That was the fight I fought in Bologna. A lot of people today, you don't know, it was not my fight. I was okay with my position, but why will he rusticate these people who have served in this very movement? That was what brought up the problem. Because he lied. That's why nothing will make me and him to ever get close to each other. We are going to keep on bullying each other. Until he uses his winches to kill his head. I want to see how he died because he lies too much. A lot of us don't know. Person like me irritates me. You may be seeking, yes, under normal condition. About 4 million of Edo people know that Idris have lied. Idris lied. Abdul Karim, Idris lied. We all know. It's not all about being a politician here. These are the same people you are wanting tomorrow that are going to be a part of the revolutionary movement to take Nigeria from the cabal. Buhari is better than Idris. Buhari have already seen it that somebody like Idris will come alive one day. That's why I call them lazy youth. You just vindicate Buhari, Idris. You vindicate Buhari here. Most of these old people we are even talking about, they are better than all these fucking youths. Instead of for them to stand as a revolutionarist, all of them, they are standing as a politician. None of them is standing as a technocrat. None of them is standing today as a technocrat. All of them, they are standing as... Why must you stand as a politician, as a youth? A dead politician like Isaiah Yamu, they lie. Oshiomhole say Isaiah Yamu lie effortlessly. He say he lied effortlessly. Of support to even get. None of us is ready to understand anything. None of us is ready. If you look at the heading there, if you read the book of Proverbs 6 verse 33, he said he will be beaten up and disgraced, and his shame will never go away. That's what is happening to Isaiah Yamu and Oshiomhole today. And it pains me most that Idris can't go put himself down. Idris, are you not from Kano according to your biography? Where I say you are from Kano, whether whether you're from Osun or that, I don't even bloody care to know about it. Because these are you people that are playing music during the time of they take it back. That is to say that AAC for Binuel closer because it's a scam party. I'm saying it today. The take it back is real. But that AAC, I'm beginning to see it as a scam. Because every person who have contributed tremendously to the well-being of the Take It Back in Edo State should be a part and parcel of Obaseki re-election. I stand to be corrected. Why am I saying it is this? Because these are some of the government that we need. These are what we have been long waiting for. God just sent us a man who can at least prepare the ground like don't. Now do youth want to come out, a youth that will decamp. Under 45 days, he will decamp 3 times. He will exchange party 3 times. That is who you are going to rely on. Ah, mama dear, this one he never spoiled it like that. He never spoiled it like that. On no account should you allow anybody to begin to use you. Enough is enough of this bullshit. We shouldn't give chance to all these people who can never work with their hand, who are not technologically savvy, who are never one day sweat in their life to make money. They have no workshop. They have no people under them they are training. All they do is politics. Must it be politics all the time? It must not have to be politics all the time. We have to put politics aside and face policy. That's what will make a country to go forward. How will you join all this car? Oshomole knows why he's worrying his head yamu. Yes, he's worrying his head yamu for it. Because the one that will give you his head yamu problem. He knows the reason why he automatically stood up one day and said Obaseki must want to come back. None of you do research. You does not sleep. If at all you sleep with Igbo. God have never one day opened your eye to see. Why is this man being worried? Why is this man being troubled? Nobody bloody care about it. All we care about is about ourselves. Forgetting that this money, if you eat and go finish. Idris would have come. Idris Abdulka would have come to come and stay down. Your mate not there US they also. Must he be in Nigeria all the time? You don't see Gwanduje there. Where did Gwanduje, the Kano state president? What has he done in Kano? Lagos State Governor Sanwo-Olu came and adapted the educational system of Edo State. There are somebody in Tanzania where John Pablo Magufuli is the president, Dar es Salaam. They came and also get some idea about the educational system of Edo State. US right now can also adapt to what is happening in Edo State today. Italy can adapt from me. I don't know. Let us be truthful to ourselves. Let not become devil incarnate. Any person again, I want to, if you one day you want form party, you call me. You want form any political party, now God I go punish you. Because all of una be fake. Una be fake. Any of una don't get and say you want to do governor, you want to do president. Rag your money yourself. I'm going to lead a revolutionary movement against you. Nobody ever will donate money for any youth again to do any campaign. Because all of them, they are fake. They are not serious. They are never serious. They were you. That's to say, when you came out during the revolutionary movement, that's all what reform. You were only just joking. Maybe now money was so whatever give you, now make you join. You just came out and lied. And those people, you think those people were the diaspora there before. Idris, what did you take those people in diaspora for? Okay, do you think we are fool? Or because we they help people for Nigeria, if they get problem, we can help them. Any of you today that be donating money for anybody want you to stop. Because the name these people are calling those people is becoming too rampant. They are trying to cut their head a fool here. How will you send such a message as if we can't think? As if we cannot see nor dominate? That those people in diaspora, I want to tell you, Obaseki have not done anything. A stadium now your part builder. Now your part builder. The modular refinery now your part builder. Because of money, you people keep on selling your birthright, Esau and Jacob. How much are they going to pay you? You finish your career already. What are they going to remember you of tomorrow? Certainly nothing. What are you going to be remembered for tomorrow? Do you this is already people have already kept the history. It's not as usual as before. We tend to live with Wamagbe because Wamagbe were born like that. According to his own history, he were born like that. What can because we live with Wamagbe? We live on because in our blood, but your career is done. We can forget to Wamagbe because that one they hungry. We are praying seriously that make God revive them. Because sin we commit to Wamagbe and the warrior. But this one you have said, you have lied against God. You are a dead liar. You Oshiomhole and Ezeyamu. You people are dead liars. No lie. Even you lie more than Lucifer. Lucifer cannot even take you as his non-agent. He can never. I can't really get it clear. If you read the book of Proverbs 11 verse 22, it says a beautiful woman and a man. I intend to put man there. Why? Because the Bible stated a woman. It said a beautiful woman and a man who does not think well, a good ring in the nose of a pig. A Nigerian artist who does not think well is like a gold ring put in the nose of a pig. That's who you are. And that's the best way you can be classified. A political leader who lie effortlessly like Ezeyamu and Oshiomhole and Idris, they are like a beautiful woman or a man who does not think well. It's like a gold ring in the nose of a pig. When we are telling you people at times, don't be deceived, our God is not mocked. Whatsoever you sow is what you reap. Nobody wants to understand. Nobody wants to understand. But reverse is the case for a lot of people today that they never knew. One thing you don't know about this life is this. You are going to reap whatever thing you have sown. There's no two ways about it. If you also read that book of Proverbs 11 verse 21, it said the wicked will not go unpunished. If you are wicked, if you are a liar, you will not go unpunished. God will punish you definitely. No matter how you try to cover up, the punishment of God will get to you. So mind what you say. Don't lie against anybody. How will you lie? Ezeyamu went to national television station and said he went to 18 local government. He has consulted them. Nothing is there. So are you kidding me? You mean a governor like you, both of you might have eaten in one plate because you are desperate of power? You will just lie like that? You are just confirmed. Any person that votes for a liar is a fool. You know that this man is a liar. Confirmed by Oshiomhole. If you are even supporting such a man, there is something wrong with your head. That is to say you don't know what you are doing. You can support anything. This is how Boko Haram became many today in Nigeria. Because Nigeria not they forbid anything. Anything that comes to one will always take it. Under normal conditions, it's not supposed to be like that. For how long are we going to continue in this kind of jeopardized society? Whereby anybody can just come tell us anything and we'll believe. You see what youth are doing. And yet a lot of people never see open their eyes. A youth of 30-something years with the camp to different political party, 3 political party under 45 days. 3 political party under 45 days. These are people, please, if you are watching me, I can't pick up right now. These are people that we are expecting tomorrow they want to come and make Nigeria to be great. I just prefer more give Buhari thought tenure than all these youth. The youth are worse. The youth are more worse than even the elderly men. If all these one people like Idris and some of our those stupidity, I don't call them celebrity, my dear, the treasury is gone. A man right now is called we can see. If now the very day when I go install that board will be like computer. I don't even know me I use paracote talker. Una for don't blow and see. The man not even get time to procrastinate. He's doing the things amicably. He's doing the things accordingly. He know the talk. Projects are going on in everywhere. You are telling us that, including me myself, and those people in diaspora. Obaseki have not done anything. You blind. You became mentally blind. You don't think. If they tell them I know they smoke this weed, you are not they hear. The weed is good. If I get, I'll smoke better one. Not better one way they change person head. You can't see far, you can't call and Roro. How will you say that? What I was expecting you to say is that we are saying Obaseki have tried. So what a good government is supposed to be. He's supposed to do more. I go applaud for you. Don't just come out, you have not done anything. You have to come out and denounce that word. Because the ancestors of our land may look for you. It's not going to be music as usual. You sing Nigeria Jaga Jaga, you were truthful. That one was true. You didn't say Kano State. You said the whole Nigeria up tonight, see Jaga Jaga. Because say we see and say the Jaga Jaga listen, he not come to there, those state again, because God has sent up a very good governor for now make we embrace him. You people are trying to stun us, people supporting Obaseki as if we doesn't know what we are doing. As if we doesn't know what we are doing. That's why a lot of you are using so many F words. Some go say gullible. Me and you gullible pass. Before you start throwing mouth on people, what can you do? What have you been able to invent? Can you use your hand and create something? Let's take it from there. What can you do? Let's forget about academics right now. What can you do with your hand? What can you do with your head? Since Idris started his musical career, Davido had those techno. Maybe those ones said they'll teach school. Now let you want to be the useless artists for Nigeria and way come and come talk for a Edo State election. Because they don't say billionaire don't share money with where you did. You don't even use sense. Like Obama, like Idris. Unane that don't enter the big number. Look at how you finally kill yourself. Tomorrow, what do you have to say again? Because they bribe you. If they don't bribe you, that is not the right statement you were supposed to make. If you have not been bribed, that is not the right statement you are supposed to make. Even up to today, there are a lot of things I don't even praise Obaseki for. What have been our mode of campaign for Obaseki? Let him finish his tenure. Let him finish his tenure. We have a lot of projects he need to complete. Una say no, he must come on. Now you the one can't use. Do you think right now what you have even said we make up, excepting the foolish people who even did and I go even listen to you. You are not be meaningful now. You are not be meaningful. So who even make you to become a judge? Where you want ambassador people? Today we don't know what they do. People supporting Ize-Iyamu today, they are supporting Ize-Iyamu because the personal beef where they get for Obaseki. They themselves they know. God that revealed a lot of them to me. Like this animal in America, I think he hate Obaseki right from the one. Not even with the administration. I don't know where for dreams see Obaseki. Maybe we want to go kill him for 90, no fit. So all his followers, they hate Obaseki because their leader, their stupid leader hate Obaseki. If you talk about developmental tribes that Obaseki have brought, no governor have ever wanted to do it in one day. So don't just come in because you say new thing, they insult person. You want to join. Federal for confirm, they insult this person. This should be your first blight or your first confirmation you should do. If not, you will not be having problem. These are a lot of things today that a lot of us are doing that is not really auguring very well for us. And it will not lead us to anywhere. For how long are we going to continue like this? That is, Lucky Dube said it. He said no truth in the world. What legacy did Bob Nelson Mandela, what legacy did he leave behind? Or Idris, do you think your music that they use and make love? Only thing that would have remembered you for tomorrow, you sing Nigeria Jaga Jaga. That's the only album you have now. Your music, they cannot use it for obituary for Edo. They cannot use it for birthday. Apart from say, we want fight for freedom. Good. Right now, you are using one to kill the freedom. We not use and do it so ton. Your music, you not ballet paranada. Then why are you forming? Then celebration, now we're supposed to celebrate. Because we know how many couples those one have joined together. Phil Collins, Whitney Houston. Huh? Not be all this one they sing now. Michael Botti, all those one dead there. We see they manage you, they go because you came out and say Nigeria Jaga Jaga. You know the activism you have done. Because now alone and I be celebrity. That's why I don't let bug myself about all this stupidity. Who make you celebrity? Me, I'm not even a club goer. If I ever hear and say any artist they come Spain, except me say my friend will come voo me come on for us. They need to come root me come on for us because I'm not interested. Okay, if I know you were waiting on one game, You want give me contract? I'll come sit down, you they sing. You not make me remember my papa. Una know they sing song now today. Today educate the younger one that is growing up. All the song you guys sing, una go they put cartoon limousine for back, so that may all boy they feel say man they want hammer. What has your music contributed to the society? Your music is sweet richer. What about the Green Robinson? Akabama, your music is sweet richer. Your music is sweet richer. Sayamore Joseph. What if you have a problem? Any small thing when Nigerian people just get, they'll come they do mati. Like I said, they are second, not there again. How many confusion Michael Jackson caused down? Michael Jackson one hand glove when he died that time. I think it cost almost about what they want to sell and auction says. It was about $20-something thousand. He owned mirrors, standing mirror for inside bedroom. I think they push at that time auction say about $45,000. Standing mirror. Those are made of living legacy. You don't design autography for people. Did you have autograph rather than you are signing for people? All of those just the phone. Please, I want to urge everybody in Europe. Let's stop allowing these AWUs in Nigeria to start looking down on us. A lot of them, they want trauma. Either they go say gullible people in Europe. Most start to the put paper for their eye. Stop patronizing these animals. We should stop patronizing them. They think they are the one that made themselves. That's why they can come out and insult us. After all, the people where they diaspora and those who are not getting. You could have just finished this sentence. Huh? Don't just paraphrase it. You would have finished up the sentence. Say, those people where they diaspora and those who are not getting so. Obasa cannot do anything. Why are you advising us? Obasa cannot do anything. Are we blind? Are we blind Bartimaeus? You should be the one that is blind. If you don't smoke with you and they smoke finish. Bob Marley smoke all till today. Anywhere Oyibo here they play Bob. It's like the album is still selling until today. Bob Marley, the album is still selling. Lucky Dube Unko, the album is still selling. Una music then and within Nigeria. You fought 50 cents as a result of what you do, you not like her. But this one people must fight you because you hate injustice. You are just lie. You are just lie. And this one is going to put an end to the lying of every artist in Nigeria. Una go stop them. You guys must stop this line. You guys must stop this line. It's never done, and we will never take it from any of you. We will never take it from any of you. Then I want to begin to tell us the history of people that lie. If you read the book of Isaiah chapter 45 verse 16, he said they will be put to shame. People like Oshomole, Adams Aliyu Oshomole of Edo State, Jihadist Isaiah Yamu of Edo State, Idris Abdul Karim of Kanu, where they are governor for the pocket dollar. For pocket. Imagine Gwanduje that is a thief. He say one isolate a wicked. Now wicked tell about say you cannot pocket me the way you pocket dollar. I don't know what these people's problem. So they will be put to shame and even humiliated. All of them, the manufacturer of idols, will go away together in humiliation. And they are manufacturing that idol. As soon as they fabricate those lies, all of you will be humiliated in Jesus' name. None of you ever know that there's evil curses upon people who lie. Effortless. Like Idris Abdul Karim, jihadist of Edo State under APC. Idris is APC too. And Adams Aliyu Oshomole. The only international investment that Oshomole brought was his white woman. Then how will you, in the 21st century, you will be criticizing a governor that is signing more? If you don't come sign more, what do you want to do? Make it a giver to Taga and Lion. If they do contract, finish say governor, if they do a work, That's what people need. So look at what's going to happen to Adams Oshiomhole. Ize-Iyamu, the jihadista, the most frustrated and Egbadasi stupidon Itete in the history of Nigerian music. He become a Nottingwood, no longer Nollywood. Idris Abdul Karim, Psalm 109 verse 25. He said, I have become an object of ridicule. My accuser, when they see me, they shake their head is come. This what is going to be the end of Ize-Iyamu the jihadista. Upon say they see Ize-Iyamu, yeah, worry because you are a fake man of God. Wabi ave man that dame be that wabi tami ani atiebo no baseki. Me matiebo no weni an. Igu egun an. E mama no ri mama dame unwo ya mu ebe ni Jesu. Oshiomhole na wenu mama that dame. E mama no ju unwo ya mu. Except where e mu wa no tiebo no baseki. Watami ani weni ni aga tiebo ne. Because ama gbe you wa gbe. Psalm 109 verse 25 is for Adams Ali Oshiomhole. Ize-Iyamu the jihadista Idris Abdul Karim. They quote and I read, I have become an object of ridicule and caricature. My accuser, when they see me, they shake their head. Point to moi. Also, I Ize-Iyamu aige. Ize-Iyamu ki ogie do bamego. Idris. Or Kyoge Nigeria or political career, very political career by himself. I have never seen a rapper who could bury himself by himself. Two-Face, he sang a song. What does he say? He said, I think election does not why worth dying for. That was some of the things he said. Upon say, Oshiomhole they bring the company that time, they come reflect. But you know, then our governors is not the same. Imagine how was Obaseki able to survive COVID-19. After spending billions of naira to buy food. That food, none of you remember that again. Money where he spent for COVID-19 food. And up to now, is he spending? Is it not enough to tie road? Do you know what it takes to renovate that stadium? What it takes to renovate that stadium can tie the road in Benin. I'm a building engineer, international building engineer. I know what it takes for renovation. Renovation it costs more than a fresh building. That one is there. Those states will not be having sports festival any moment from now, if not because of the COVID-19. So Idris, if you don't smoke finish, you know they watch telly. You know they watch news that are big. Lagos State is 17 million people. Lagos State is 17 million. The population of Lagos is more than the population of Senegal. The Switzerland you are seeing today where there is World Bank, their population is 8 million. Is 8 million. The Switzerland you are seeing today. That is to say you have to combine place like Switzerland, combine place like Highland, combine place like Guinea Conakry together, Oman the rest, before you can be able to get a population of Lagos. But Sanwo-Olu came and accredited Obaseki. He copied a lot of things from him because now they read news because they don't give you money. You see, and I'll see how the happen want to say. How the happen, even the EPN, they don't know say people. What pays me most is that one thing a lot of us doesn't really know here. That's why don't support a lot of people when they are doing some certain things. He himself know that what he's doing is bad. What he does is to you look like a fool. Oh, he go say this one also. He don't say, and this thing, me by the do amo. You decide me. That's why if somebody always call you, please help me like so and so like this. If that person is not sensible enough, not the doer. Because the person is just trying to spoil your name. Tomorrow, he will call you as a liar because he has been using you. So even the people follow Ize-Iyamu today, they know who Ize-Iyamu is. Then why are you supporting them? If at all want to even have a governor, Make this one finish first. Okay now. We have been crying. Take it back. No going back. We have been crying for a better society. And now we have seen a better society. What is our problem? That is to say Nigeria youth don't even know what they need. More than conjunct. They see the war for Libya, the war for Burundi. More than say, more than pass and come. None of you be in Nigeria. Pass the place to here. More than just pass and come. You can see convey all of you. After all, the Benin is not made for only you guys. We made up our mind that we left. Why are you complaining? For you, those of you complaining about the government, you leave. If you can't stay there, you leave. So stop complaining. Pass water come. 70% of people today in Europe, maybe let me say 70% or 60% precisely, they came through this water. So you can try even come. So nobody is disturbing you guys. So stop jealousing anybody. Wait, they jam. If they don't give money, they grumble. You know how how we patronize you people. If people like me, now they jam. All these artists, we don't even care whether person they die for the country one and day. If the artists today, the so-called nothing would all of them gather, the revolutionary movement, it would have been more easier for us to even do. Yet they will be the one to discourage you. When Sowore was arrested, I was always online shouting. I came here to come and lay curse on federal government of Nigeria. At the end of the day, the Babana Gbewo. But how many people accredit me for it? These were the same people who rose up against me in the platform. You are rising, you are another person. You are rising up against the CEO. And what I can do, you can't do it. And one of those persons right now, I saw him on Facebook the other day. After about 1 hour, he was having this view, and now you think you can conspire against me? You can't do that. These are the problem, please. Before you join any person, check his track record. Don't just dive into joining people because you have feelings for what he's doing. No. A lot of people, they are Satan sent. They are devil. They are not relevant. That's why if they are doing anything, they don't bloody care. Whether that thing will hurt you, how you feel about it, they doesn't bloody care about it. All they know is themselves. So some people, you mind the way you treat them. Then if you read the book of Psalm 129 verse 5, may all who hate Obaseki be turned back in shame. May all who hate Obaseki and his administration. I don't care to know who you are. Everyone that hates Obaseki will be turned back in shame. That's what the book of Psalm 129 verse 5 said. They will be turned back in shame in the mighty name of Jesus. Here we are in Jesus. If you read the book of Exodus 23 verse 2, do not follow the crowd in doing wrong. When you give a testimony, a lawsuit, do not pervert justice by siding with the crowd. So be that Idris, you choose to side the crowd. You choose to take side. Maybe because they don't give you money, make you by Igbo. The verse of the Bible will ask you. That's why I don't do anything without referring you to God. If what I'm telling you, I forge it so that you also know. If what I'm saying today is also wrong, God will also judge me. But if what you have done, you do it to underestimate Obaseki and his administration, and you just lie international lie, you will continue to face international disgrace in your life in Jesus' name. As many of you that lied again, I did say you shouldn't criticize Obaseki. You can even insult him now, you know. But stop lying. We don't lie against people, it's forbidden. The Bible, God is against it. Thou shalt not lie. Why must you lie because of political position? A lot of people today far better than you, they are gone. There are no more. Michael Jackson was the richest musician in the world. But where is he today? Where is he today? It's nowhere to be found. But the legacy you are leaving behind speaks volume. And that's what me myself I stand for, and some other people supporting Obaseki. We don't compromise our value because of $5,000. The 5,000 you are being given or 8,000, whatever may go, may finish. For any of you who is starting Owamagbe have living down a legacy for children. Look at Akabama. He left a very good legacy for his children. That's why today all his children that are musicians, they are well respected. Look at Osayomoro Unko, he live a very good legacy. Now tell me, what legacy are you living for your children? In what matters? It's not the life you are living right now. History will tell. Go ahead and Ziggy Marley today, anytime he's on stage on live concert, it's as if his father is still there. Despite Bob Marley is gone, despite Fela and Nicola Pokuti is gone, but they still live. Why? Because of the legacy they leave behind. So I come here to urge us. For those of you that have been procrastinating evil, you are advocating false advocacy. And then the book of Proverbs, 11 verse 21, said I should tell you, the wicked will not go unpunished. The wicked will not go unpunished. Galatians 6 verse 7, don't be deceived. Our God is not mocked. Whatsoever you sow is what you are going to reap. So the question you need to start asking yourself right now, what are you going to be remembered for? I put it there in the heading that Proverbs 6 verse 33. He said you will be beaten up and disgraced, and the shame will never go away from you. You will be beaten up as many people that laugh. The three world, the most large persons in the world today, the Guinness Book of Records have recorded it, is Adamu Noleguda, according to Owamagbe, when Owamagbe was not facing a psychiatric challenges, or when we were not having a mental issue. The man is where they say me Owamagbe take bath, he go drink am, then automatically change his mind. Then he compromised his value. He sold up his birthright, hoping where he said Yamu is going to win. He said Yamu, to what Oshomola told us, he's a dead criminal. So he wants to be beaten up. That's why if we are giving them social media bruises, we are giving it to them because it has been written down in book of Proverbs 6 verse 33. He said they will be beaten up and they will be disgraced, and the shame will never go away from them. That's why today Oshomola is still cluttered with shame. That's why today Yamu is cluttered with shame. That's why today Idris Abdul Karim will still be cluttered with shame. He can no longer go to a concert again where no people will be present. Idris have disappointed close to 200 million Nigerian citizens, because those state elections have gone globally that even the people in America, they are interested. The EU, they are interested. They want to see the best election so far. The most popular person today in the whole Nigeria is Obaseki, whether he's more popular than Buhari, not even Oshomo. Every day by day, he gives us, he proving to us that he's a good governor. Instead of his Yamu to go to a national station and say, yes, I am the Hadistan, Isaiah Yamu, the fake pastor of our time. Look at what I can give to my people. I can do far better than what my running mate or whatever, what my opponent have done for 3 years, I can do it other 1 year. Isaiah Yamu lied. He confirmed, he vindicated Oshomole. Oshomole with all his momentum. He said he have never seen anyone that like Isaiah, that Isaiah Yamu lie effortlessly. In the last syllable, there was strength in it. Effortlessly. He said he lied. He's not even lying. He lied. How can you do such a thing? Then you think by bribing Idris to come and say that, look at, instead of Idris to be in the Hall of Fame, he has put himself in the Hall of Shame. This is how you are going to make name. It has already been written down for you. Let me see where you guys are going from here. So my viewers at home, I'm not seeing your comment. You can see that this page today is still under these shenanigans. This is what they know how to do best. Please, in a time like this, we have to do a massive sharing. We have to do a massive sharing, please. Do a massive sharing, please. So there are a lot of things every one of us need to put in place. If nobody can do it, if you can't do it, we are done. You think you want to sing music? A lot of people, they don't even have self-respect. The people we are remembering today, how did they make their name? In making your name, you have to starve yourself. Don't always see rosy all the time. If I've compromised my value by now, people will be insulting me. No, but you do this one. That's why that American animal today, he cannot talk to me. He knows that he lied effortlessly too. What he bought for $200, he tell me saying at 4,000 he take back. He was tricking people. At the end of the day, look at his life today. Being insulted by everybody. Being insulted. He have a colony. He has a colony today. Any person you misbehave in social media is the one that colonized them. Because you have taught them that if you cook, use it to bath. You don't need to use it to eat any food. That's what you have taught them. That's why, if you look at that idiot today, everything you have condemned, tomorrow, me, Oshomole will come play. Oshomole will come sit down, they call him Baba for waiting. We go where here. Carry your money, go now. If God wants to use somebody to bless you, you better people. Not people that lie. But because of money, the same person, we join hands together to humiliate. We join hands together. We were in discourse together. You not even decamp small. You decamp, you now became dog. You ate everything you vomited. Tell me now what color. Now about second now be corruption where you define. Animal, we no longer walking. And you remain a goat. We were walking and a walking Uzua. We were walking. That's why you cannot see anything wrong in the system today. No matter how dislike, even there are some of this very animal, he should have bring and come at time. A day somebody told me, say, Newton, does that mean that what you are saying at times is lie? That you are not telling us the truth about this man? Now say this very one, or my wrong give up. I will not say because I hate you today, then I will still file injustice against you. I don't do it. Or why you make another big bin and yes, a no very right. He gave a bin and but all in my one way you so. Because I know they use a person ugly till they call and winch. If you have done well, I'll tell you guys, you have done well. We are here for, I don't believe in injustice. I work up a little of yourself. That's what I'll be keeping me. Me, therefore don't move my enemy now. Una no bullet. When you are threat to these people, what you are telling them has a confirmation, my dear. You'll be threat to them. And I'll becoming a threat to them. That's why at times they are not just happy seeing me on media. Because all what they plan, God will be defeating them. And He will keep on defeating them. There are things you don't do. I will not say because you and I, we have differences. Then anytime I see people lying on you, no, I'll still say, no, God, despite the fact that this thing is like this thing is not like this. That is me. A lot of people who just come at time want to come up with false news, I'll say no. Or my wrong give him now what I so work with. If people right now want to know person that is doing what they call me, it's in the Bible. Every Bible is. That's why this no Wamagbe on. I check him and say Esau and Jacob, Genesis 25 verse 30. It is familiar with everybody. I preach that topic, then I skip it. But now when he can't repeat himself now I make me can't talk about him. Because a never do well is a never do well. A rogue well is always a rogue well. So now what the person don't learn, Like these people that betray right now, mark them. If you are doing anything with them, even the Isaiah Yamu that is talking right now, these same people, they are coming to come and quarrel tomorrow. And their quarrel, una no go feel hold. So it is not even everybody at times. You are allowed to support you in your vision or your life endeavor. Not every person you allow. A lot of people don't know. Because they became too archaic, they just say, okay, you want to support me now. No, it's not all support you take. There are people right now, you call me new team, I want to be a part of it, I'll say no. Because you can't. You know if you survive them, you will compromise your value. I'm supporting Obaseki does not mean that I've compromised my value. No, this is what the gods have seen it. The gods have seen it. That this is a man we have been waiting for. We don't even need a politician right now. We need a technocrat. So anytime I see youth who are technocrats, I will embrace them. That's why I don't, if you are a politician today, we cannot be friends because you lie. You are going to be lying effortlessly. So you better just go and join the Isaiah Yamu right now. Me, I thought I never knew. No wonder Nigerian politics have been so archaic. No truth in their mouth. Isaiah Yamu and Osomole just defined it. That what is there. After you lie, the federal government sent delegates to go and check. Getting there, they find out that this is 95% completed. Then you people are still lying up to today. What are you going to gain? Now, I want to ask these followers. I will not call you stupid today. I'm not going to be insulting you followers. You can, and any of you that refer who just because you want to talk, and you are indirectly, you even think and talk. And they may not brilliant is aware. This river and I go kill you. I don't lie against people. It's what I see at times I talk. There are still some relevant people inside. That even no matter how you are swearing for all of them, you see exonerate them, you see exempt them out. So if you are doing your thing and you are not exempting anybody, my dear, you'll be having problem. You'll be having problem. Do you think this is how we are going to make our state to be okay? This is not how we are supposed to make our state to be okay. All hands need to be on desk. What is bad? Now, Obaseki is not going to go away with Benin, you know. Let him finish up his work. What is wrong about that? Then Idris want to make sure Agbe will come back to Edo State. Because he himself now see Agbe. What are you going to gain? You that were a part, I saw you there. You were with Yele in that revolutionary movement. You were there. Then how will you? You are not even criticizing the government right now. You didn't see anything that was wrong. They giving Isaiah Yamu ticket to be an aspirant. Somebody that have EFCC case. Somebody that have EFCC case. Please, I'm online brokers. I'm online brokers. Somebody that have EFCC case. You didn't see anything wrong with that. Under normal conditions, you would have just come out, scorned the two parties. Isaiah Yamu, you that have EFCC case, why must you be contesting for governor? Or you could say, Edo people, where they diaspora, Obaseki cannot do anything. Now your head now be that stadium. Now your head be technical school. All the road, all this project now your head. Oshiamo power now your head. Idris, go and read your Bible. You they forbid light. That's why today light is not in your life. Compare yourself with every other artist. Light is not in your life today. No person who did it saying better. If you say you ban past me, call me. Come go show me your way, what you can do. Let's display together what you can do. Idris, call your co-musician. May they tell you what they pass you. Everybody should be at time be proud of what you can do. It's not what people can give you money to do for other people. A day is going to come. I want the state governor to set tasks for everybody. If you must even be talking in the street of Benin again, if license were given to you before this fake activity, you must show us your workshop. You cannot just become a talkative. No. So that while a dolimoto people will also criticize your work. I have not been asked this right now. I've been busy. We have other things we are doing. Soon as right now, you get paid while I was introduced given. You know. So when a CEO, at the end of time, is what we can do. Call us, we can defend. By the grace of God in this field of activism, at least, even though na professor one come can, I must be given 70 over 100. At least. I must be given, the recommendation must be there, 70 over 100. The only activists who have performed miracles during activism, who have dished out some word, that today people are happy. What are we talking about? It's not all about being too sentimental. No. At times you speak truth. You say the truth you know and you apply it. It will work for you. The truth is what going to save you. The Europe we are saying, was Dubai built with lies? Dubai was not built with lies. Those said it's the habit of the nation. For that confirmation to control, that was what Obaseki were saying. So God must definitely send somebody. Una one can tell me say na Isaiah Yamu na God sent. Isaiah Yamu is just a demon, is a devil that the devil sent to come and distract Obaseki. In the book of Exodus, God told the children of Israel that I've heard your cry. I'm going to be sending a helper because we have been crying. We're going to change his narrative. How those states go to get back to its original purpose, where the natural resources of the state will be used for the state. None of these Edo billionaires care about people that be dying in Libya. But today we are saying Obaseki. Some of us, the little thing we have, we know how we have managed it to also help our people. They do say they help people. What help are you giving? You are not the one that created it there. Anything on the ground is for the government. Anything under the earth is for the government. It's not for you. And I'm able to what the government does, if it's been found in your land, they will settle you. That's why they love them. They want to make sure they push out of Obaseki so that those will remain bondage. Look at technical school. Go and watch the video in my page. Me, I never ever see that kind of thing for jump. I never see him. If you don't do, maybe I never will carry it. I never see him now. I never see him. But it's beneath technical school. Me, I'm going to go to that school. If I go to Nigeria, I'm going to go 2 weeks course there. Diploma. If I'm a bricklayer, according to the winner time, I must go there. A governor that only, if now only that one he do, that children cannot learn work and find something doing with their life. Look at people that go to university. If you even go learn engineering there, engineering is there to tie road, it's even more better. Practical most of the time. Where are our engineering today? I'll be shouting, Obaseki, give them road, form yourself in a group, go and meet the governor. Let him give you one local road to tie as your IT. You know, because they don't know him. They don't know it. That's their problem. They cannot do practical. What they don't know is theory, chukuli. Carry this in entire hall. Go the right exam. Please, if you are there, just call Manare line if you are there, please. Call Manare line to tell me the time you spend. So the other phone, the network I said is not connected. I know I will be 1 hour plus right now, but I want to know the plus in it before I cut off this video. This page is seriously still under attack, you know. There are a lot of things we never want to understand with human beings. Until we get it clear, it's difficult. So you that is supporting people committing evil, stop following multitude because you don't know your destiny. These people, they've lived their life. Because look at it. How will I support you, a man, to drive other people away? No, I will not be a part of these 13 witches. One was later out when I found the innocency of the woman. They now become 12 witches. I will not be a part and parcel of this eco. A lot of you that were fool, even the people that I fought for, they are never even man enough to be my friend because I know they like Olodo. I want people that are sharp. You know when you are insulted, man. Ah, my brother, I'm going to a bona do bomb when we man, you know. Hello, Chama. Yeah, I'm still on air. Okay, just wait for me now. Let me just come. You would have told me since now. If you they watch me there, make you. Okay, now make me they come then. Make a. Help me log in. May you tell me time where I don't spend a beg. Okay, no shaking. Make I just come. Man, just come. Yeah. So good day, everyone. A very good friend of mine just came from a very far distance right now. And he called me before, he never told me that. That's a surprise visit, you know. So I ended up going home. Please, I want to urge each and every one of us. There's nothing like good name. Don't let anybody use you for anything. Money does not worth dying for. Your integrity matters a lot. Your integrity matters a lot. Use your hand to hold your integrity. You are hungry today, tomorrow you may be stomach filled also. You may be stomach filled also. So I protect my, for those of you who always say you don't know this person, go to tell her your secret. This animal, where they America, I will say I tell her my secret. Imagine how it would have been today. For those of you, if your brother you do you anything, you go to talk, tell one idiot, my dear, you are fooling yourself. Keep your thing to yourself. That's why all till now, you not say anything, say, not be you tell me say your brother this, because I'm not a talkative. And not be you tell me say your stepbrother this, he not see and talk. He don't even know whether a boy missing him. But you guys saw him the other day. We were ranting, sending to start unleashing on me. But a lot of you that does not really know what was happening, you will feel, I'm talking about integrity here. Maybe there's one particular integrity I've done. I rose emotion for people. No, these people shouldn't be dismissed. That's what every one of us is supposed to be doing. As a living being, if you must succeed in life. What keep me going today and the good man where I get? What keep me going? What keep me going today? What keep me going today? Call your brothers for Spain. Push and start. Or now America. Call any of your brother. Who wait off him no fear no mugu. So there are a lot of things you may condemn there. But now our good man had to save us they go. But you may not understand. We know what we also know today, because it has been God who has been by our side. It has been God, no one else. So I'm urging us, let's be truthful to ourselves. What is bad is bad. And don't say because of this person, your friend they condemn this, you must condemn her. And I want to also use this medium to talk to some of our brothers who are in Europe. I don't pity all of you. Now, you will just be in life. Your children are growing up. You are not participating in anything. All you always say, I know the top put, you not concern me. Now, who is concerned? Who is concerned? The reason why a lot of bad things happen to people at times, God can just allow some certain bad things to happen to you based on the mind that you have. Because a task right now of Edo State is supposed to be responsibility of every Edola. Every Edola, you have to support something. Even support the evil side. You know me? At least you still support. So that if God wants constantly reward you, He go know the way go sit to reward you. Look at the book of Revelation 22 verse 12. He said, behold, I come quickly with a gift in my hand, to give to everyone according to his works. So you must have to be rewarded for something. And most of all right now, we are comfortable being here. And what is happening in the world right now, people don't even know. You are hearing right now, there's a news already say, Boris Johnson will soon resign. I think one that whether not Japan, the whether not device, that one wants to resign. So instead of being people to think, or Nigerians to think, what's happening? What's the mission of this man, Donald Trump? We are always taking it from one side. It must not have to be politics all the time. People are saying Joe Biden, Joe Biden, Joe Biden. At times, sit down in your closet, sit back, relax, think. Which impact have you been able to make in this whole life? Messi, where you go drink, you don't know chemical where they do. House where you stay, you have never been there once. May you see how they would build down, road where they carry, car where you even they drive. Come where they for the manufacturer and you don't know. So you are just in this life. Politics who go on your rug, you don't know how they take the doing. Evil cloth where they wear papa, what did they turn to run, you don't know. Toilet roll, you don't know what they turn to run. Then the people who have really gone far to go and do their research, all these things we are seeing today right now, people put it down. What have you been able to put down for generation that is coming? Up to now, we are doing our own personal research. We are doing our research. It is not lawful for us to be a passerby. Just come laugh, you know, eat, sleep, fight, smoke it, go like Idris. Then, umwekun boto like a Wamagbe, lie effortlessly like Isaiah Yamu and Oshomole. Then that's all. Look at the person, Papa. Look at the legacy you are living. You expect tomorrow. Person like me, if I criticize you, I criticize you. I'm not a dose of stupidity. Or make politics. My own is policy. But I think I play politics or a policy you're making. A remain with boy tie. Me all the go to. Why am I down? Osaloba with Bogwe. All Bugwe to Bugwe. Nonsense people. I go wagon. They put fear for everywhere. You can never talk to them. A country or a state where you cannot correct anybody if they are doing bad. How that state want it better? There's nothing that can work out there now. Nothing can work out there. Oppression everywhere. This one go talk. Why do you born your Baseke? I rule it there. We don't know where so he say you are only. Why a person a wulo a mari soveki I give me one talk. Anyhow, what do you people need in Edo State? What do you people need? That some group of people will be empowered, and some people now mumu. Why? Because God just created a moon and suffer. That's why some people they're not like enjoyment. They're just like why we hear me kwa. Youth, I go throw away their things for market. Then they'll go cry meet their brother where they joined or their sister. Here work be me kwa key. We're not well tuned when it was not amigo. Right now, opportunity for you people now. Now normal task now na they pay. Egbema ye ohuwa. Isaiah Yamu cannot do. What is the remainder of Isaiah Yamu that is coming to come and do? Embezzlement to come and empower a lot of people. Imagine you are lying because of politics. Why lying? We are 21st century are you now. Whatever you say will be used again. So Mona stop all those dirty lies one on the line. We are not comfortable with it. These digital children are IBN, they are not comfortable with it. How will you say? No, say nothing is there. So Osiomon power plant, a river. Beneath technical school, a river. All those clinics, a river. A fire brigade, a river. You are not seeing anything. There must be something wrong with you guys' brain then. That is, you guys are myopic and you might be blind mentally. All these guys, all again now Mona carry them to hospital. They are sick. Only what I've accused of Shomole for. That's why my activism is very real. The 30 billion won't come to insult Obasa because of erosion. How Shomole doing? Before you start judging people, what justifies you? What justifies you really? For you to have the infantry and saying that now you are the best. You are talking about continuity. Continue what? Servicing Agbero. Servicing Agbero. You build a red roof, good. But red roof, you have to make it to become a school, a studying place. Interior decoration. Now it costs money past building. That's why most of you want to say when I get 4 flat for Boko Haram country. Me now you when me interior decoration me I go check on. If you look by river. If I don't launch my page now, why you arguing me? So yeah, I'm on the price here, yo. O one way abo we or interior decoration we flat so we. E man gele me go. O one way abo we no e ken we boy ken. Wa mama nyagbe. Can you use 10 million as an criterion of 15 million for interior decoration? You can't try it now. Why are you working on man? Why are you going to eat my hand? So we are managing. Now advanced suffer now with the advanced suffer. If you think you are making it, you are in Europe, you are the most stupid person. You don't get sense. And you also lie effortlessly. We are managing. At 80, 70, now me why you know. Later on they say you cannot breathe. How will you breathe in a place that is not your own? There's no way you can breathe in a place that is not your own. So good everyone, I will soon be ending this video. See you some other time again. Maybe by the grace of God, let's see if we can be able to bring out a very good jingle this very week. I've been so busy and making use of the hair still. We did one jingle last week. Probably this week we are supposed to be having one. But let's see what happened. Nothing on Sunday, so we are multi-talented by the grace of God. We're not the boast of money, but we boast about what God give us because so here one, you know. So we always boast about it. So I'm already in my zone, man. Me with day Jan by the grace of God. Imagine this animal. Iya bog buwe we agogo yo. Uloto ade we bona. Iya igbogo yo e ho awe agban no. One Morocco burger e wa stubborn se. E we be car. Una know what be my fish meat killer. I went out here by bona ya cover me so I make an alegberi. According to His Excellency, I will nobody have monopoly to violence. So God bless you all. Let's end it here. Thank you very much. Ciao.